ladies. Let's move on. Our next workshop is going to be one of the trainers and consultant at PSTD. So let me introduce Rubina Jamal. Rubina, are you with us? Yes. So Rubina, इनके बारे में आपको बताता चलूँ. She is a renowned trainer and consultant at PSTD, known for her expertise in guiding individuals through transformation. So when I'm talking about transformation, मुझे जब पता चला कि उस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के पीछे कहानी क्या है, तो वो कहानी मुझे राज, वो सीक्रेट पता चल गया. So last 8 years, she had been doing trekking to Nanga Parbat, Rakaposhi, K2, Everest Base Camp trek. So yes, that's where the transformation happens. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Rubina, whose motto that if your dreams aren't scaring you, you aren't dreaming big enough. Thank you very much. Over to you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. And the people at the back, Assalamu alaikum. Okay, all right. So, my introduction ho gaya. You probably think what an amazing lady K2 kar liya inhone base camp. But I'll tell you, it was really very difficult. I had no idea what I was stepping into, and I also dragged in 3 school friends because when I put the group together, मुझे एक दिन ख्याल आया ऐसे ही पहाड़ों में हम retreat के लिए जा रहे थे. We were taking an organization for their team building up country, and I thought this looks so beautiful. What would K2 look like? I want to see K2 with my own eyes. जब मैंने actually K2 को देखा, after all the struggle and इतना हम लोग रोए भी रास्ते में. I thought to myself, जब actually K2 पहुंचे और हम इतना रो धो के पहुंचे, we were wishing we were dead half the time. We couldn't afford a helicopter rescue. I thought मुझे तस्वीर देख के सब्र क्यों नहीं आ गया. But so I've always been like that. When I decide to do something, I do it. And like most of you sitting in the audience, जब हम कोई काम की responsibility ले लेते, हम उसको छोड़ते नहीं हैं. ऐसे ही है ना? And we will do it to perfection. So today I'm going to talk about why we become like that. Why are we perfectionists? अभी आपने इतनी अच्छी बातें सुनी. All the speakers told us about imposter syndrome and all the things that we do which keep us from moving ahead in our careers. I'm going to go back to the root of this. Why have we become like this? And that's where change has to happen. So it has to happen for us, the women in the room, the gentlemen in the room, because we'll also talk about them. Nurturing is what society gives to you. We are born with our own nature, but then there's nurture also, which is how society treats us, the thoughts that society plants in our heads. So it's equally for men and women. We're going to examine what they do to us and how we have become what we are. Then only can change happen. So it's not just for the people in this room, it's for our children, because they're the next generation who we are bringing up. What do we need to do differently for them so that they don't become us one day? So let's look at what we have. Can we have the first slide, please? Oh, so I'm supposed to, sorry, nobody's going to give me that slide. Breaking the mold, unlearning, relearning, and reskilling for success. So the mold that society puts us into, how do we break that mold and become the person we really want to be and deserve to be? You were not born with limits, you were taught them. How many of you agree that? We were not born with limits, we were taught them. Imposter syndrome, ये सारी चीजें कहीं से आई हैं. So we're going to, can we have the first Slido? I'd like you to, let's talk about what success is. And then we'll talk about getting there. So who is your favorite CEO? The CEO you admire the most. Can you just scan the code and quickly put down the name of the CEO whom you admire the most? Let's see those names come up. None. Oh, I like that. Myself, Jack Welch, Romana, Mohtasham, my future self, Shahid Hussain, Zafar Masood, Eric Ten Hag, Steve Jobs, Edie Saab. Okay. All right, we're going to stop here. What's interesting about that slide is that we're women, but the CEO we admire is a man mostly, except for Romana Dada. Let's give Romana Dada a big hand. That's food for thought. We don't have a role model. And the most important thing is to have role models. The women in our country who have done something for us, nobody said Begum Fatma Jinnah. Nobody said Benazir Bhutto. These are women who have been up there and who have accomplished something. But they're not our role models. If there is an absence of role models, it's very difficult to strive towards something. So that's number one, the first lesson that you need to learn. And please, in your notebooks, because this is also a workshop, I'm a trainer, I'm a management consultant, and I have my own independent consultancy firm also by the name of Insulido Associates. Just pick one page, and anything that makes sense to you right now or today, just write it down as in one sentence. Because you'll go out of this room and you'll forget what impressed you and what you thought. So make sure that the first thing you do is find a female CEO role model. We know there have been presidents in different countries, female presidents, and they've done an amazing job, especially in COVID. What do we know about them? We have to read their biographies. We have to study them and see how they got through all the problems that we encounter. So can we see the next slide? Oh, sorry. I keep forgetting that it's me. All right, here we go. So why does this topic matter? Going back to the roots, gender roles are not inherited, they are taught. These teachings shape how we speak, grow, and lead. So if we're not leading, there's something wrong somewhere. In Pakistani culture, women are raised to stay safe, men to stay strong. The workplace reflects these norms. Can we all stand up? You see the puppets over there? Do you see the two puppets on the screen? Can everybody stand up and become a puppet? Everybody stand up quickly. The girls at the back, stand up quickly. And let's see you do your best puppet act. Come on, everyone, become a puppet. Let your head hang loose. Come on, I'd like to see the best puppet. If anyone can point out the best, that's a very nice puppet over there. Aapka naam kya hai? Yeah. Because men are equally puppets in the hands of nurture. There are things they don't want to do, but they have to do them because the nurture demands that. So, all right. So who's the best puppet at the back? Can someone tell us who the best puppet at the back is? Okay. Everybody sit down. Sit down now. Men are raised to stay strong. Let's start with men first. What are some of the typical sentences boys hear when they're growing up? Boys, be strong, bahadur bano, ladke rote nahi hai. Aur kya sunte hain ladke while they're growing up? Huh? Don't act like a girl, huh? Don't be a sissy. इधर लड़कियों की तरह रो रहा है. Okay, मतलब कि हम कोई अजीब ही मखलूक हैं, रोना सिर्फ हमारे लिए बना हुआ है. और क्या? I'd like to hear the men. Hassan, any typical sentences you grew up with? बड़े होके तुमने बनना क्या है? So शुरू से ही focus हो जाता है कि you have to grow up and you have to earn. I remember my son, he got admission at Texas A&M in their petroleum engineering program by chance. He wasn't very hardworking. उसको ना सिर्फ वो admission मिला, but also he got a scholarship. They had said that write an essay, पता नहीं वो उसने essay लिख के भेज दिया. That went forward and he also got a scholarship. So as far as everyone was concerned, he was made for life. भाई ये कर लेगा श्लमबर्गर में जॉब मिल जाएगी, पैसे ही पैसे होंगे इसके पास, पैसे होंगे तो अच्छी सी बीवी मिलेगी, अच्छी सी जिंदगी होगी. But he didn't want to do that. He had been pushed into applying for that by my husband. So after 1 year, he just didn't go back to college. He left home with his suitcase and he didn't get on the plane because he didn't want to do that. And finally, when we discovered that he actually never went to America and he wasn't in college in any case, and we found where he was, he said, I don't want to study petroleum engineering. I want to study mathematics. And he majored in mathematics. And I remember my husband saying to him, यार तुम इस डिग्री का करोगे क्या मैथमेटिक्स का? टीचर बनना है तुमने? टीचर बनोगे तुम? क्या कमाओगे? So there are again many roles which are looked down upon for men. You know, if Hassan had said that I want to grow up and be a nurse, what would your family have said? पागल हो गया बेचारा, है ना? शायद उस जमाने में 2 थप्पड़ भी पड़ जाते, है ना? Yeah, you can't be a teacher, you can't be a nurse, you may want to be these things. So the way we are precluded from leadership, men also, many men want to do certain things, but they can't do it because society doesn't allow us. So we're going to move on to the next exercise. Before we get to that, I'm going to talk a little bit about how this develops, nature versus nurture. A study was done by Harvard in which they put babies in a room, 3-month-old babies, and randomly, kisi ko pink pamper penaya, kisi ko blue, not based on the sex of the baby. And then they invited parents in, so some of the boys were wearing pink pampers and some of the girls were wearing blue pampers, 3-month-old babies. जब वो कमरे में parents को बुलाया, they weren't the children's parents, just random parents, and they were asked to pick up a baby, any baby. They picked up the babies, and the little girls, they cuddled, and they spoke to them very gently and softly. And the boys, 3 months old, को उन्होंने उछालना ही शुरू कर दिया, up in the air. You know, they became rough and tough, holding them away from them. So right from the very beginning, we treat boys differently, and we treat girls differently. And that's where the difference begins. So we're going to look at some of the differences in detail after, oh, look at this. Girls, look pretty. उनकी party themes ये होती हैं जी, वो parlor जा रहे हैं. I don't have a daughter, but I hear कि वो 6-year-olds को beauty parlor ले गए on their birthday. सबके nails polish हुए, सबके बाल curl हुए. And what do we have for boys? So the emphasis, the focus is on looking pretty. ईद आई, चूड़ियाँ पहन रही हैं, अच्छे कपड़े, and what they learn is कि हमने अच्छे कपड़े पहने, we're looking pretty, and that's what everybody likes. ऐसे ही है ना? So we learn that our looks are important, the way we look. Imposter syndrome की बात करते, last WIPCon I went to in Lahore, everybody was wearing Western clothes, and I was wearing Eastern clothes, and I thought, oh no, मैं तो सबकी मासी लग रही हूँ. And I better not go to the next WIPCon in Eastern clothes. And here I come in Western clothes. Sabne Eastern pehen liye. It's some kind of trick. So my first thought when I entered was, oops, I'm out of place. And the imposter syndrome takes on many forms. This is one of them. I'm not good enough. I'm not dressed like everyone. Who decided how everyone should be dressed? Shouldn't I be proud? Okay, I'm looking different. But again, हमें सिखाया जाता है एक सांचे में और एक certain space में रहने की. And then it is reflected in the way we think in many different aspects. So here's a girls' party and here's a boys' party. Be rowdy. जरा जंगली पना दिखाओ. अपने आप को आगे बढ़ाओ. हाँ, लड़कियों को be gentle, be well dressed, तमीज से बैठो. और लड़कों को जाओ बाहर सड़क पे क्रिकेट खेलो, दोस्त बनाओ. So now you're going to tell us in the next segment. Each table has a chart paper and a set of markers. You're going to draw, in groups, draw a map of what messages you received about being a good girl growing up. And let's do some good girl and let's do some bad girl. Who were the girls who were told, what messages did they get in terms of this is what a bad girl does? So this side of the room can do the bad girl. Messages while we were growing up that our parents, our friends, our relatives, dada, dadi, nana, nani gave us about what bad girls look like. And this side does what good girls look like. You have 4 minutes. Ji, you'll draw it. You'll draw them, pictures, and you'll write the comments that are made. आपने सिर्फ कमेंट नहीं लिखना है, आपने उसकी पिक्चर भी बनानी है of the good girl and the bad girl. Good girl this side, bad girl this side. You have 5 minutes for this. I'm going to come around and see what you're drawing. हाँ, bad girl. Bas, zabardast, we already have bad girls here. Those are the kind we love. Assalamu alaikum, kya haal hai? Hurry up, girls. Some of you haven't started drawing. Be quick. A little picture and the caption of the words that are said. 5 minutes. There are so many men here. Are bad boys. What messages are given to boys about being good? What does a good boy look like? What does a bad boy look like? So what does a good boy look like? What does a bad boy look like? Draw it and write the caption. Look कैसे क्या है? रोना अच्छे बच्चे अच्छे लड़के बच्चे रोते नहीं. अच्छे बच्चे माँ बाप का ख्याल रखते हैं. Boys, why don't you? Bad boys come. Good boys and bad boys. We have so many men here. You guys are doing good boys and bad boys. And I'm going to talk about get it. So what messages are given to you? Can you be a good boy? And what messages can you be a bad boy? Hopefully, लड़कियों को मारते नहीं हैं. One message. What do you do? क्या? What makes you a good boy? ऐसे नहीं कहा ना. लड़के रोते नहीं. That's a good boy. लड़के strong हैं. We have boys at the back, so they're doing the good boy, bad boy messages. Can we have somebody with mics there so that different people can give us a comment? Well done. I see some real artists over here. Bisma, 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 I'm at the back. Can we have all the lights on? Lights, सारी lights on कर दें. ये बीच की lights on करें. And you know, Bisma, I'm coming round to see what you people have. सारी लाइट्स ऑन कराएं. Wow, I see the good boy, bad boy team is doing very well. Well done. भाई मैं ये बोलूं कि गुड बॉय बैड बॉय वाली जी टीम्स है ना, they are doing a lot of work. Okay. All right, time up. Can you bring your posters up to the front on the stage? One person from each team take the poster up onto the stage. आ जाए. Boys, आपने इतनी मेहनत की है, up onto the stage. बस छोड़ दें, आ जाए, जितना भी हो गया. All right, onto the stage with your posters. One person per table on the stage. चले. हाँ, अब ना on the stage. आपका कहाँ है? आपका भी good boy वाला था ना? This was a good boy one. So take it on the stage. Onto the stage. I'm going to count till 10. You need to be on the stage by the count of 10. One person per table with your chart. 1, 2. Onto the stage. Jaldi, jaldi. 3. 4. Stage. जो भी हो गया, it's fine. 5. Onto the stage quickly. So don't do this. Don't say that now you're the one who's going to go. Chalo. Make your presence felt. Why do you want to stay out of the spotlight? Go. Now you go. Go. Go quickly. Baki sab pahunch gaye na. All right. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. No, what do you mean? Phirwai? I'm not. Okay. One person. So you can stand on the side of the stage. All right, so let's hear some of those comments. I'm very interested in the good boy, bad boy comments first. So, आप बताएंगे?
Top ones. Boys are mentally strong. They are more emotional than the ladies. They are more sensible and sensitive.
All right, so, okay, we have only 5 minutes left for the session. All right, so boys are mentally strong and they are smarter workers. I'm going to pick that up as a theme. And the girls, you dress up well and carry yourself so well. Sit properly. Don't speak loudly. Make your bed. How many times are boys told to make their beds? Yes, be tidy, be neat, be clean, be good. All right, wonderful, wonderful. So at least we've captured you in pictures. Then we have good girls serve others, they're caretakers. Bad girls stories, bad girls stay out late at night. Boys stay out late, koi baat nahi. Acha, okay, so smoking is bad for girls, smoking is bad for anyone. Don't laugh loudly. Bad girls laugh loudly. Bad girls use slang. Bad girls argue back. Imagine if you grew up with that message that you shouldn't argue back. आप corporate sector में कहाँ जाएंगे, है ना? All right. So thank you very much. We got some great messages. Yeah, bad girls don't apologize. Good girls apologize. So we have to feel sorry. Boys don't have to feel sorry. Thank you. Wonderful. Okay, thank you. Go back to your seats. Okay, give yourselves a big hand. So, at each table, you now know the messages that you don't need to give your children anymore. Girls को हमने क्या कहना है? Be strong, don't cry. Be brave. Boys को क्या कहना है? रो बेटा, because you know crying is an expression of anger and frustration. When you've cried, you feel better. And because we never let them express that anger and frustration, what do we have? We have boys who are emotionally insensitive to other people. They are the ones who don't express their emotions. As spouses, they don't express their emotions. And the worst part is that they are the ones who have high blood pressure, who get strokes, and who die at an early age. Girls, can I have your attention? There's an emergency situation over here. I've been told I have 5 minutes more. We're on an important topic. Let's not lose it. But we're losing it because people are still talking. They're not sitting. So I'm going to go through this faster now. But you all have to pay very careful attention to what this means to us. हमें कहा जाता है कि लड़कियों ने बाहर नहीं जाना. Right? If we go shopping, our parents want to know किसके घर गए, वहाँ कौन-कौन है, and for good reason. I'm not pointing a finger at anyone. Safety is important. But safety should not make caution a way of life. Caution is fine. We have to be safe. But what happens is decision making mein we become overcautious. We don't take decisions. We're looking at the pros and cons. Men are more decisive. So do we know now why men are more decisive? Because they are risk takers. Who takes bigger loans? Girls or boys? Men or women? Banks se loans आदमी ज़्यादा लेते हैं और बड़े लेते हैं? Raise your hands if you think that. If you think women take bigger loans and more loans, raise your hands. No, we don't, because we're not risk takers. We don't want to do things outside our comfort zone. And then we feel कि हम क्यों नहीं ऊपर चढ़ रहे? The corporate ladder. So we have to become bigger risk takers. Remember that safety and caution are not one and the same thing. They are two different things. Keep yourself safe, keep your girls safe, keep your boys safe. हम भूल जाते हैं कि लड़कों के साथ भी बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जो लड़कियों के साथ होती हैं. But because it's not talked about, it's ignored. And we often don't even know what's happened. So, lesson number 1, be safe, but you don't have to be cautious all the time. Be risk takers. Lesson number 2, who's going to be a better networker? Bad girls come home late. है ना? We are precluded from हर एक से हम बात नहीं करेंगे. We're taught to stay within a safe space. ना? तो बताएं, when we are in the corporate sector, who's going to be a better networker? Boys or girls? Boys, can we say that loudly? Boys, because they have been prepared for that. और अगर हमारे, and if we start meeting a lot of people and talking to them, लड़कियां ही कहेंगी वो देखो चलती फिरती पुर्जा है, हर एक से बातें कर रही है, हम अपने ही सबसे बड़े दुश्मन हैं. Fair enough? Talk to people, talk to the right people, and talk to the right people about the right thing. Have your elevator pitch ready. If you're suddenly in front of the CEO, what are you going to say to him? We'll probably be spellbound because we won't know what to say. अक्ल की बातें करें. अभी one of the speakers said, what are the conversations we have? In the workplace, are we talking about business or are we talking about clothes and children? Our conversation has to change. So we have to become better networkers, know the right people, speak to them. जो दिखता है, वो बिकता है. If people at a senior level don't know who you are, it's unlikely that you will make it to the top. How many of you have worked in more than one function? HR में थे, HR में ही रहे. How many of you have worked in different functions? Raise your hands. Look at that. We have about 10 hands up. Men, can you raise your hands? How many of the men at the back and in the front have worked in different functions? So we know Hassan has been in sales and HR. Okay. So the career ladder, which we all aspire to move up, is not a ladder. It's a jungle gym. You have to move across. Because we are cautious and we learn to stay in a safe space, हमारे लिए एक function से दूसरे में जाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Because we are perfectionists, remember? So हमें जो काम आता है हमने वो ही करना है. आपको कल को कहीं sales में जाओ तो हम कहेंगे हमें sales के बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं है. मैं sales कैसे कर सकती हूँ? And if you study your CEOs, you'll find that there is a rare CEO or a president who has not worked in different functions. वो finance से ही finance करते करते नहीं पहुंचेंगे उस level पे. Because it's important to know the business in its entirety, to be at a senior level. So can we make a pledge to ourselves that I will push to look in different functions, to find opportunities in different functions? Can you do that, girls? Yes? Okay, my time is up. All right, we're going to move to the last slide. Now we're just going to jump forward and do the last thing. We're all going to stand up. Everybody stand up. So when you unlearn something, here's what we're going to do. We're going to shake our hands like this. I unlearn. I rise. I unlearn. I relearn. I relearn. Relearn means that you think. When I keep my hands like this, it means that I'm thinking, right? This is a sign of thinking. So I'm thinking. I relearn. And then I rise. Everybody's hands up together. So can we do that together? And can we have the music, please? I unlearn, I relearn, and I rise. Together, say it together. I unlearn, I relearn, and I rise. Thank you, everyone.